Of course on the first day I want to do a super summery, super refreshing, super sunny recipe. It's pissing it down with rain. Hi everyone, it's Tash and welcome to another badly lit recipe video. And today on this dark, dingy and rainy summer's day, we are going to make a lemon syllabub. This is the perfect recipe for a hot day when you don't want to use any heat but you want a little something sweet that's not ice cream. And it will take you under 10 minutes to whip up. Probably under 5 minutes, but I'm slow, so 10 minutes for me. This kind of recipe needs very few ingredients. The main ingredients are whipping cream, lemon juice and a little bit of Prosecco, just to give it a kick. And I also add vanilla bean paste to mine too to give it an extra richness. Don't forget the strawberries on the bottom. This lemon syllabub is super light and fluffy in texture and is one of those desserts that you can eat it as soon as you whipped it up and put it in the glass. Personally, I like to chill mine just for a couple of hours before serving it so it's extra cold and refreshing. But if you're short on time, you can just whiz it up in a bowl, put it in a glass, serve it. Super fun and easy, super speedy. So let's go to the kitchen, pray for sun and see how it's done. Let's prepare our strawberry base first. I've got a couple of martini glasses here because fancy. I've got 2 big strawberries cut up here. Just gonna put them right in the bottom. And I just started the lawnmower outside, so that is the noise you can hear. Apologies about that. Now I'm gonna get just under a teaspoon of caster sugar each for these because strawberries may be sour. Sorry, half a teaspoon each. And because the lemon's already going to be sour, we don't want this to be extra sour on the bottom, so this is just a little bit of insurance. And this is going to soak into our strawberries. Let's set these aside for a minute. Now here I have 150 grams of whipping cream. This isn't double or heavy cream, by the way, this is whipping cream because we want it nice and light and airy. And I'm going to add 25 grams of caster sugar. And we're going to whip this up until it forms soft peaks. There we go. I'm going to add now half a teaspoonful of vanilla bean paste, 25 milliliters of Prosecco, and of course the lemon. We have 1 tablespoonful of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'm going to take a spoon and I'm going to fold this all in together. Now let's divide it equally between our glasses. And now I have a little bit of freshly grated lemon zest, which I'm going to sprinkle just over the top. And that is it. Now you can actually lightly cover these and they'll survive in the fridge for about 2 days. I'm actually going to refrigerate these for an hour, and because I like mine extra chilled, let's just place that there. But you can actually serve these straight away. I, however, like to chill mine for about an hour or 2 before serving so that they're nice and extra cold right, so I'll see you then. Just look at these fluffy beauties. And of course, I couldn't resist adding a couple of fancy biscuits to the top. All butter, of course, because we are going big on this dessert, even though it's super simple. And even though it is super dark outside and raining, because after all, this is the UK, expect rain, this is super refreshing and super summery. And take a look at that fluffy texture. It's almost like a mousse, especially after you've chilled it. It's still raining out there, but I don't care because I have this lovely fragrant dessert, complete with fancy biscuits. I wish you could smell the aromas coming off of this. It smells like sunshine. This is perfect for cheering me up on a dull day like this. Have you even got my glass of extra Prosecco? I used one of those mini bottles to do this recipe. It seemed like a bit of a waste to buy an entire bottle of Prosecco to open it and then not be able to get through it. And I put a little strawberry in there too because it seems like something people do. This recipe video is going to be super short. I can't fill out any more of the space without rambling, so I'm going to go ahead and try some. So let's get the one that I dug into for the slow-mo, which is right here. Obviously, when I took that slow motion video, I didn't just put the spoon down again, I ate it. But for the sake of the camera, let's try another spoonful, shall we? Oh, that moussey, airy sound, that is so good. Cheers. So refreshing, that lemon just pops through and it's not too sour at all because we didn't use heaps and heaps. And you just get the little twinge of Prosecco as well, a little bit of sparkle, but it's not overpowering, which is really nice. Let's dig to the bottom and get some strawberry actually, haven't done that yet. Oh, those strawberries, have gone so juicy because they've macerated themselves with the sugar. Oh, that is super, super good. So if you are having a particularly hot summer and you need something sweet but don't want to turn the oven on and don't want to use any heat, particularly if you're joining me in the UK and having one of those hot, humid, roasting summers and no air conditioning in a building, because our infrastructure isn't set up like that unfortunately, then I hope you give my strawberry vanilla lemon Syllabubs a go. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope you'll join me next Wednesday for my next one. Get the full written recipe on my blog tashcakes.com, follow me on Instagram on tashcakes.tastes, and follow me on TikTok too, I'm Tashcakes there too, but my handle is @foodinslowmotion. Subscribe and hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more, give this video a like if you'd like to help other people find it, comment down below if you'd like me to make anything in particular, and I'll see you guys next time. Be good, be nice, and have a good week. Haven't eaten the biscuit yet.